Salam. This is Unity, and I want to share this gift that I got from Living Fruits here on YouTube. She had a giveaway, and I won it. So I want to open. I just received a package. And she's in London. So I want to share this with y'all. Oh. I like those, that little orange and that color. I'm going to make some earrings with this. I love that. I'm going to keep some of this paper so I can make some earrings with the paper, y'all. Y'all put a comment in the comment section if y'all want to see me make some earrings with this paper. Y'all, you know us creators, everything we see, we can make something for it. That's what you call recycling. Oh. So I know majority of the stuff that I won, I think all the stuff that I won shop. Oh, look at his shirt. Look at there. So dope. Look at the fist and the yin and the yang and the ankh and the peace sign and the one love and the stars. And the fist got a comb at the bottom. Look like a leaf or a vine. And the sun. Oh my God, the Nefertiti. This is so me. And at the bottom it got handmade by Living Fruits. How dope is that, y'all? Dope. Dope. This is dope. Thank you, sis. So if y'all want to go support her, go. I know she have this shirt because I was gonna buy this shirt. So some say wait and see if you win it. So y'all go to her Etsy and purchase this shirt. It is so creative. And that's everything the black woman is. She have the balance. She have the life. She's the star. Oh, I didn't even see Africa. Got Africa. And I'm obsessed with Nefertiti. And look at the black woman with the fro. This is so dope. The Living Fruits. That is so fly. I'm going to rock that. If y'all not following my Khadijah Jamila Instagram, follow it because I'll start putting like outfits and dressing up on there. So let's see what's next. They put my paper here because I'm going to make some earrings with this. Oh my God, all her wrapping paper is so usable. Ooh, I dropped something. Oh my God, all her wrapping paper. Queen, where do you get this wrapping paper from? I need to get some. It is on point. I'm trying not to mess it up because we will recycle this and make something from it. Look at this wrapping paper, y'all. Y'all know I love the animal print. I'm going to make some earrings from that. Okay, what I want to show first. Notebook. Y'all know I like to write. I have a lot of little books around here that I jot my little ideas down. A lot of stuff I keep in my head. But I do have things that I jot ideas down in. Oh, wow. Y'all see that? Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Afro Design. And then let me take this off right here. And this is the back, y'all. Oh yeah. Be honest, I draw with lines a lot. With line paper. You know I could write in here, but it'd probably be something I sketch in. This is so cool, man. And look at the kind of kente design with Africa. And then she got an earring on. This is so dope. It's a beautiful. Be beautiful. Be beautiful. Oh yeah, be beautiful. Afro Design. I like that. I love that logo. It looks so dope. Alright. That is cool. And then I got the same thing on. Look at there. Oh wow. Now you can feel that. That's like a vinyl. That is so fly. That's so fly, y'all. Look at that. And then look at the back. How dope is that, y'all? Beautiful. 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 I like the way she was creative with it. That is dope. And this is pretty big, man. This is cool. That's dope. Thank you, beloved. Okay, let's see what's next. Yes, y'all. Yes. This is a pretty paper, too. Dang, where she find this paper at? All this stuff can be, like, recycled and made into something. Oh, man. I remember winning, but I can't remember everything. Okay, this say The Living Fruits by Esther Poyar. Please visit. And this is a shop. Y'all see that? Which I'm gonna put it across the screen and put it in the description box. All right, y'all. Let me try the mask on. This is a good sturdy mask. Oh wow. Oh, I love the way this stretchy, more stretchy. That is so dope. Wow. This is a really good mask. Oh, wow. I love this mask. Yeah, I can breathe good. That is dope. All right. This is another package. So we're going to create something with this paper, y'all. Oh, yeah, I remember the soap. I'm obsessed with soap. I done did a couple of Black Business Spotlights with soap. So let's open it. You can smell it through the, and she make this soap, y'all. Oh, just to let y'all know, I've been watching her on YouTube for some years. She had left YouTube, but now she's back. And I'm so happy because I used to love watching her videos. And Esther, I'm investing in me some Moxie skates. And I've been doing my research. I've been hearing people say that, you know, the wheels are kind of bulky and all that. So I'm going to purchase me some extra wheels. So this one right here, y'all see this one? This one is a red cola nut and frankincense. Gentle exfoliation. Olive oil. Okay. Water, coconut oil. See, that's fine. It's a little coconut oil. I can use that. Castor oil. Cola nut. I don't know if I ever tried cola nut. Sea salt, frankincense. Oh, wow. That smells so good. And then this one is a orange bean oak milk bar. It got the olive oil. It got mainly almost the same thing in it. Vanilla bean oil fragrance. Let me show y'all this one. So dope. Oh, that smells good. It smells clean. And this one is a honey almond maca magic hand and body soap with hemp oil. Oh, okay. All right. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I can smell an oatmeal. I like that smell. I like all the smells. They're not too much. Not over. You know how stuff's just so strong? Oh, yeah, I can't wait to use those. Let me see what's else in here. Okay, this is the last thing. I'm going to take all these wrappers and I'm going to create something from them. That'll be a cool video. Okay, so the Living Fruits Herbal Eye Pillow comes in 3 flavors. It comes in lemon, rose, petal, pure lavender, and cinnamon eye bright. This can be used to cool or warm. Place in a Ziploc bags for 20 minutes in the freezer and ease headaches, reduce puffiness around the eyes, or warm in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds. Used to relax after a long day. Will help you sleep or cool you down. They are also excellent for relaxation period after yoga and massage. The eye bright is a herb known to have properties that relieves eye irritation. That's interesting because something been making my eyes itch today. This is not a medical claim, but if you have issue with your eyes, seek medical attention. Material includes 100% cotton, organic rice, lemon, lemongrass, Egyptian, I know this word, I just can't pronounce it. Lavender and cinnamon essential oils, dries rose petals and dry lavender and eye bright herbs. Y'all see that? Wow, that's cool. That's interesting because my eyes been bothering me today. They've been watering. I'm like, what the world is going on? And I remember looking at the video and she said that she handmade these. So dope. Oh man, that is nice. Y'all gotta smell it. So you can use this for like say you want to cool down, or if you got like a headache, it'll ease your headache. And you can put it, you got, oh wow, this is cool. It smells so natural. And I love the material on it. And then she got her little, that's what's up. That is so dope. Oh, really got good energy. Y'all know how I am about energy. And then right here, she got a little living fruit stamp. So all this stuff, like y'all see this, I'm gonna make something from it. Oh, that is so dope. Thank you, Esther. Give thanks. This is so dope. So y'all make sure y'all go check out the Living Fruits. I'm going to put her link in the description box. Y'all check out all the little goodies that she got. Oh, this is so fly. This mask, I really like this mask. And the soaps and the t-shirt. And the wrapper. I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna do a video and make something from this. That is so cool. Thank you, Queen. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Leave a beautiful comment. Go support this sister, black-owned business, sister business, black woman business, black woman entrepreneur, soul sister entrepreneur. So y'all go check this sister out. Don't forget, like I said, don't forget to leave a beautiful comment. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to pick up trash in your community. Adopt a pet from your local shelter and rescue. Respect those that respect you. Check out my Amazon wish list in the description box. Donate to this channel. You can donate as low as $1. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.